So, welcome back guys to the Flakpanzer restoration project. Today is the September 15th workday, and holy cow, it's busy today, Dave. Can you tell us what's going on?
Yeah, extremely busy. Again, another work session that's really busy. As you can see behind us right here, the museum received their Leopard 1 C2 tank just on Tuesday, and we brought it outside so that we can work on the Flakpanzer because it's a fully operational C1 C2 tank.
Awesome. So what's going on with the Flakpanzer today? I noticed we're continuing the work that we saw last work session we were here, where they were cutting away at the welds for the centerpiece.
Yeah, so right now what they're doing is they're finishing off the welds to pull out the centerpiece. You can see them right now working on it. They have the HIAB there, HL HIAB, so they can lift it up and pull it out so we don't have to man to handle it. So we'll get it up out of the air, we'll push the tank, the Flakpanzer chassis out, back out, put it back down, and we'll put it on a pallet and then bring it back inside.
Perfect.
How's it going? So yeah, we're still here at the Flakpanzer restoration project. A bit of issues that we're having right now with them cutting out the floor, the center floor. It's just that the cuts are really tight with the plasma cutter, and it's hanging up. We got it jacked up a bit, as well as we got the HIAB off the HL behind me, holding it up, trying to get the last little bit so that we can actually get it out today.
If we're only this far along, then...
Well, that side's clear, is not? Well, we're clear all the way up to that rusted part. The rest, there's something out. It's this front part that's hanging.
now. Can you give us a debrief for the day?
Yeah, so what we were doing was using the plasma cutter to cut out the center floor. Again, we're having issues with it. It's getting caught up. You can see the guys right now, they're pushing it back inside. There's great big globs of stainless steel in the corners, weld that is causing us the issue here. And so again, we'll be back out on the 29th of September, back at her and pulling it back out and getting it cut out.
Yeah. So in terms of German workmanship, is that a good thing that their welds are so good?
Yeah, I would say so. I don't think it's just a German thing. I think it's a good weld chip, and or they just wanted to make sure it wasn't going to come out.
Right. Well, thanks a lot, Dave. We'll see you guys around next time.